Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'm showing you some fun items I received from Love from Lizi. Even though I'm not using her monthly kit anymore, I'll still be highlighting some of her fun products. Love from Lizi's March 2024 card kit is called Vintage Escapes. There are lots of great products in the kit, including this pattern paper. The pattern paper in the kit is 6x6 size. I have the 8x8 size, and you can purchase this as an add-on. You don't need to subscribe. There are 16 sheets. Most of them are double-sided. There are a few specialty papers. A couple of them have a fun linen texture finish. Several of them have a spot gloss finish on them. The paper pad is travel themed, but there are lots of designs that you could use year-round. And with the earthy, natural colors, I think this would be a great collection for masculine cards. My plan is to use the collection to make Father's Day cards going to the residents at a nearby retirement home. Here are some of the papers that have that spot gloss finish. Hopefully my light is catching it. There are lots of tone-on-tone designs, makes it easier to work with the busier patterns. Here's a fun yellow map tone-on-tone design. I love this design with the pile of letters. And the very last design has a linen texture finish, and I know the camera does not pick that up. I have two die sets from Love from Lizi. The postage rectangle set is brand new. There are 6 dies in the set, cuts out that fun postage edge, and it also has the faux stitch frame on the inside. And the other set is stitch squares. Love from Lizi has been releasing a variety of shaped dies, and I now have the squares. And I love how she fit so many different sizes of squares on one set. If I counted correctly, there are 21 square dies. Now moving on to Love from Lizi's peel-offs. This first pack is all the rose golds. So it includes all the different peel-off styles in the rose gold mirror color. And previously, not all of these styles were available in the rose gold. We have the star border, the butterfly border, the heart border, mini twinkle shapes, mini heart shapes, mini circle shapes, mini star shapes. And on the mini shape sheets, there are 3 different sizes, which is nice. Next we have the sway style, straight, and finally the most popular, pinstripe style. So this pack includes 10 sheets of peel-offs. Now moving on to some of the 4-pack bundles that are available. The first 2 are designed to coordinate with the Vintage Escapes kit. And they'll also match nicely with the Vintage Escapes pattern paper. The pack on the left is all pinstripe style. There's black with gold overlay, rose gold, matte gold, and white. The pack on the right is all mini circles. There's mink with gold overlay, brown, matte silver, and teal mirror. The next 3 peel-off packs were released with the January 2024 kit, which was called Sending Sunshine. Lizi released 3 different peel-off packs. The very first one is the variety pack. It includes gold moon dust in mini stars, brown mirror straight, mint moon dust in pinstripe, and white with gold overlay in the straight style. The next set is all mini hearts. It includes brown, gold holographic, mint green moon dust, and white with gold overlay. The final pack is all pinstripe. It includes green with gold overlay, brown with gold overlay, gold moon dust, and teal mirror. The next peel-off pack is another Vintage Escapes. This is the bubble pack. Now this peel-off style has been discontinued. Love from Lizi came across a box and found a bunch of the bubble peel-offs, so she put together a 4-pack. If you haven't seen the bubble peel-offs before, it includes 3 different sizes of a chain, and inside the chain there are small circles. This set includes ice blue mirror, apple green mirror, teal mirror, and gold mirror. And because it is a discontinued style, once it sells out, it will not be restocked. The final items I'm showing you are very similar looking to peel-offs, but they're not peel-offs. I have the gold glitter and also a silver glitter color. There are 3 different styles of each. These are all stickers. The first sheet is small circles. There's 2 different sizes and it's a silver glitter. These will be perfect to use in place of gems, and since they're nice and flat, they won't add a lot of dimension. The next sheet is wide stripes and it's a silver holographic color. Really sparkly. And the wide stripes do have a little bit of dimension to them, which is very different from Love from Lizi peel-offs, since the peel-offs are super flat. It's hard to see on the video, but they do have that little bit of thickness. But I think they're thin enough that you wouldn't have to pay additional postage if you're mailing a card using them. The last style is narrow stripes in silver glitter. And these are nice and flat, just like the circles. And all 3 styles are also available in gold glitter. Lots of fun new products from Love from Lizi. I will be using the products in an upcoming video. I'll mainly be focusing on the pattern paper, but of course I'll be using dies and lots of Love from Lizi peel-offs. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.